Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. While installing the game onto the Xbox, you are getting an error checking for update. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. A simple way to fix is to first of all launch the Xbox and search for your game and hit the enter key. Now select your game, which is Modern Warfare 4 at your end, and then click on the install option. Now wait for few seconds and it will provide you all the versions of the Call of Duty. From here, make sure whatever the versions are available right over here, you need to check mark each and every option. The download size of the add-on or the other packages is around 35 GB. It's a glitch in the game, so make sure you must check mark all these options required right over here on the left pane and then click on the next option, and as soon as you hit the next option, the game will start to download and in turn completely fix out the issue of stucking check for update. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.